Hugo the Scary Rat here. Guess what? I'm at a park. And you won't believe the temperature. It's 48 degrees out. And it's raining, if you can't tell. And there's a dead bird I almost stepped on. So yeah, look. Beautiful. Beautiful park. It's raining. Come this way. So I'm trying to block the wind as possible because I hate videos where it's windy. Here, I'm gonna start walking home now because I'm cold. Like, look at my sleeves soaked. I'll show you my face, but I don't want my face on YouTube quite yet. Maybe in the future, guys. My legs are soaked. There's this whole area that's just rain water. Oh, sorry guys. It's really windy where I'm at right this second. I'm in Topeka at my dad's. Dad's crazy and letting me go outside to the park when it's 45 degrees and raining out. Look at that. Want me to step in it? Oh, I don't think that ends. I wish I had something to just stick in there. Let's see how deep it was. Yeah, it's really muddy and wet. That's how bad it's raining here. It's very rocky. This place is like always muddy anyways. Like middle summer, still muddy. Yeah, we're gonna fall. Oh, Dad, if you see this, I'd like to let you know that I died from being stuck in mud. See, just like 10 steps, and look at that. My feet are always muddy though. That was me for when I got here. My footprints. Now watch me as I leave. So this video is for Neonzilla HD. I mentioned him in my last video. He just thought I was crazy because I was talking about going outside. And so yeah, I'm blocks away from my house. Like a good 15-minute walk. Maybe 10, I don't know. I've never really timed. Oh, these shoe prints aren't mine. I guess somebody else was here playing in mud. Oh, look at that water rinsing away the mud. Totally not making it at least 3 times worse. I'm stuck. So, nice rainy day. So I have news in the next video. I was just thinking about mentioning it here, but some of you guys might just be here for the art videos and not actually watch the these videos of me trying to walk in mud. So yeah. Oh! See, everyone's just like, why do you... Alright guys, sorry. My last video I accidentally stopped. But yeah. People are like, why do you always get your shoes muddy? And I'm just like, shoes are meant to be muddy. So you're watching this, please. Shoes deserve to be dirty. It's what they want. I mean, look at that. Here, let me grab this rock. Not that one that you just... I'm sorry, I'm having so much difficulties moving. Oh, I might have to turn back. Oh gosh. Oh, it breathed. I could hear it going. Whoa. Okay, yeah, I gotta get home now. you guys can come until at least I get out of this mud. But in the middle of what I was saying, I have news next video. So I might just blurt it out in the beginning so you guys don't have to watch the whole video if you're just there for the news. Because the kind of video I'm doing, damn. The kind of video I'm doing is kind of a video that I'm not really interested in. Just my friend suggested it. Just a giant pile of rocks, and I stepped in them. Okay. Yep, Mom. I see what you mean now for the fact that I destroy shoes. Okay, maybe if you're like super poor and couldn't afford shoes, like buying new shoes, you shouldn't do this. But we're not super poor. I mean, we're kind of poor, but we could afford it. Huh. Don't worry. Also, these are leather, and you're not supposed to get leather wet because it makes it shrink. So, oh, thank God. So I accidentally stopped the video again. Sorry, guys. I might just connect all of these, but oh, look at that. Okay, let's keep going. I'm not quite done. This what I'm walking through right this second. Oh, it's starting to get more rainy. It's really easy to walk through. My ankles are soaked. So yeah. Like, look at this. Yeah, but I have news next video, so come watch it. Because I'm getting subscribers super fast, so I had an idea that I might do, that I will do. I need to buy a really big puddle to rinse my shoes off. If I go home like this, my dad's gonna kill me. But that I'm going to say. It's so awkward when it's rainy and you're outside and people are just like looking at you being like, why is that girl outside? Some guy was staring at me. So neonzilla HD, check him out. Put his YouTube channel in the description below because I'm talking about him. I got mud on my purse. Oh great. My beautiful purse. Soaked sleeve.